Hi friends, this is Paramita, nutritionist and yoga coach. So today I'm going to share two recipes of immunity boosting drink. So the ingredients which I have used in this recipe all are rich in antioxidant, anti-inflammatory and lot of nutrient dense. So the first one which I'm going to share here is this green juice. So the ingredients which we need for this green juice are mint leaf. You can just take 8 to 10 mint leaves. Cucumber. I have taken a half cucumber. It was a medium-sized cucumber. I just took half. Half in ginger. Then spinach. Yeah, I have taken 5 to 6 spinach leaves. It was like a big spinach. You can take big spinach if you have it. Then you can take 8 to 10 leaves, or more than that if you really want a nice green color. And pear, half pear. It was a medium-sized pear, so I took half. And lemon. So you can take half lemon or something like that. And yeah, and then you can just blend it in a blender and sieve it. So you get this nice green colored juice. You can have it, and it is going to taste very good if you just put a slight dash of Himalayan pink salt. So the next one which I'm going to share, this beetroot based juice. This is a really awesome color, a pink color. It's a dark pinkish color. So for this, as I said, it is a beetroot based juice, so we need a beetroot. So I have used a small beetroot. I haven't taken out the peel, so I'm going to blend it along with the peel. So and another thing which we need is apple. So half apple of medium sized apple, I've taken half. And lemon, half lemon. Okay, and in this we'll be using turmeric. So turmeric, you can just take half a teaspoon turmeric in it. And yeah, that's it. You can just blend it and have it along with, as I said, Himalayan pink salt. You can just put a pinch of Himalayan pink salt to make it really tastier. So yeah, I hope you enjoy this juice every day in the morning. You can just have it and let me know how you like it. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.